Hey everyone, welcome back to Simplified eBiz. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to Learning Studio AI, a powerful platform that uses artificial intelligence to help you create amazing educational content. Whether you are a teacher, a content creator, or just someone passionate about sharing knowledge, this tool can make your life a lot easier. Let's dive in and see how it works. First things first, let's head over to Learning Studio AI website. That's learningstudioai.com. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're there, you'll see this beautiful homepage. To get started, click on the sign up button at the right top corner, and then you have to create your free account. If you already filled in the details or you've created your account, you can sign in with your Google account. Once you log in, this is what you're going to see. Here you can create a new course. There are four options. Quick, you provide a topic and AI will do the rest. Second one is guided, you provide a topic and AI will suggest an outline and first draft. Import file, create a course based on the existing document that you have. This is text only. New from blank, an empty template for you to start the way you want. So we'll just click on quick and we put in a topic. Let's say create TikTok shop using affiliate marketing. Let's create a course. Now it was able to generate the course material that we have created earlier. This is what you're going to see. You can edit it like that. And this is the preview. You can even share it to other social media platforms. And then when you're satisfied with it, you can download it later on. So let's take a look at this. So you can see the overview, the introduction. Let's take a look. You can see the setup. You can even see the other modules that's important for this topic, like traffic. Then we have practice, that's practical exercises. We have the wrap up. And then the quiz. We have multiple choices for this one. And that's it. You've just created an educational project using Learning Studio AI. This platform is incredibly versatile and user-friendly, making it perfect for educators and content creators alike. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Simplified eBiz for more awesome content. Also, let me know in the comments if there are any other tools you'd like me to review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.